हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज के वीडियो में देखेंगे टॉप 20 जीके क्वेश्चन जो सभी परीक्षाओं में पूछे जाते हैं। फ्रेंड्स, अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगेगी तो आप हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर जरूर करेंगे फ्रेंड्स। तो पहला सवाल है, हु वाज द गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया ड्यूरिंग द रिवॉल्ट ऑफ 1857? राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, लॉर्ड कैनिंग। Friends, Lord Canning was the Governor General of India during the rebellion of 1857. Lord Canning was the last Governor General and first Viceroy of India. He established three modern universities in Calcutta, Madras, and Bombay. Friends, he also introduced the portfolio system. With reference to the land revenue system of Mughal Empire, the term blank was the amount assessed. Right answer is option D, Zama. Friends, land revenue collection was divided into two stages. Assessment means deposit and taski. Actual storage means hasil. During the Mughal period, the land was classified into four groups: Polaj, Parti, Chachar and Banjar. Friends, during the Mughal period, land revenue was called Mal and Mal Wazib in Persian. The metal used to make lightning conductors is. Right answer is option D, copper. Friends, copper atomic number is 29 and copper atomic mass is 63.5 U. Copper is a very good electrical conductor. Copper wire has less resistance as compared to aluminium. The East India Company was appointed Diwan of blank province in 1765. Right answer is option C, Bengal. Friends, the East India Company was appointed Diwan of the Bengal province in 1765 by the Mughal Emperor Shah Alam II. The Treaty of Allahabad was signed on 12 August 1765 between the Mughal Emperor and Robert Clive of the East India Company after the Battle of Buxar. Which among the following countries is not a member of the North Atlantic Treaty Organization? Right answer is option A, Belarus. Friends, North Atlantic Treaty Organization means NATO. Headquarters is Brussels, Belgium. Formation year is 4 April 1949. NATO is an intergovernmental military alliance and currently there are 31 member states. With which sport is Durand Cup associated? Right answer is option D, football. Friends, the football tournament is the oldest in Asia and the third oldest in the world. The Durand Cup or Durand Football Tournament was established in 1888. It was organized for the first time in India at Annadale, Simla. Which of the following song has won the Best Original Song Award at Oscar 2023? Right answer is option B, Natu Natu. Friends, at the 95th Academy Awards ceremony, Natu Natu, Geet from Rajamouli's film Triple R, created history by becoming the first Indian film to win the Oscar for Best Original Song. The film is inspired by the lives of freedom fighters Komaram Bhim and Alluri Sitaram Raju. The 95th Academy Awards were held on 12 March 2023 in Los Angeles. The ancestors of Sungas originated from. Right answer is option C, Ujjain. Friends, establishment of the Sunga dynasty Pushyamitra killed the last Maurya emperor Brihadrath and succeeded the Maurya dynasty. The capital of the Shunga dynasty was Patliputra. The ancestors of the Shungas originated from the city of Ujjain in Madhya Pradesh. Which of the following instrument is used to measure blood pressure? Right answer is option D, sphygmomanometer. Friends, normal blood pressure is 120 by 80 mmHg. Our blood pressure reading consists of two parts. The first is systolic blood pressure, which is 120, and second is diastolic blood pressure, which is 80. The planet that lies at the outermost orbit of the solar system is. Right answer is option C, Neptune. Friends, Neptune is the eighth and most distant planet from the Sun, fourth largest planet in the solar system based on diameter. Its mass is 17 times that of Earth. It was discovered on 23 September 1846. Windows operating system is a product of. Right answer is option A, Microsoft. Friends, on November 20, 1985, Microsoft launched the first version of Windows 1.0. This system was first codenamed Interface Manager, but later its name was changed to Windows. Microsoft headquarters is Redmond, Washington, D.C., United States. Founded by Bill Gates on 4 April 1975. Who was the founder of Haryanka dynasty? Right answer is option D, Bimbisara. Friends, Bimbisara was the founder of the Haryanka dynasty. The Haryanka dynasty was the third dynasty to rule Magadha. Capital was Rajgir and later capital was Patliputra. Which place in India is famed for the celebration of Dev Deepavali? Right answer is option B, Varanasi. Friends, the festival of Kartik Purnima known as Dev Deepavali is celebrated in Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh and also in Jharkhand. It occurs 15 days after Diwali on the full moon day of the Hindu month of Kartik. Which of the following subjects comes under the state list? Right answer is option C, markets and fairs. Friends, there are three lists listed in the 7th schedule of the Constitution. First, Union list. This list has 100 subjects, which was earlier 97. And second, state list. There are 61 subjects in this list, which was earlier 66. And third, concurrent list. This list has 52 subjects, which was earlier 47. After which event did the British acquire the Diwani of Bengal, Bihar and Odisha? Right answer is option C, Battle of Buxar. Which space agency has launched Psyche mission to study asteroids? Right answer is option B, NASA America. Friends, this mission has been launched from SpaceX Falcon Heavy rocket. This mission aims to understand how Earth and other rocky planets were formed. NASA means National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Establishment of NASA is 29 July 1958 and the headquarters is Washington, D.C. The best soil for growing plant is. Right answer is option A, loamy soil. Friends, the best topsoil for growing plants is loam. Loam soil is a mixture of sand, clay, and another type of soil particles known as silt. Testing for the genes and genotypic characteristic of the fetus is done by. Right answer is option B, amniocentesis. How does it take for the earth to rotate around the sun? Right answer is option A, 365 and 1 by 4 days. Friends, the earth revolves around the sun in its orbit is called revolution. Earth revolves around the sun in 365 days, 5 hours, 59 minutes and 16 seconds, or approximately 365 days, 6 hours. The time a planet takes to revolve around the sun is called a year. Name the Sultan who, because of his generosity, was also known as Lakh Baks. Right answer is option A, Kutubuddin Aibak. Friends, Kutubuddin Aibak was a slave of Muhammad Ghori. Kutubuddin Aibak was the first Sultan of Delhi Sultanate and was the founder of the slave dynasty. Kutubuddin Aibak built India's first mosque in Mehrauli and started the construction of Qutub Minar. Aibak died while accidentally falling from his horse while playing chaugan or polo in 1210 AD. He was buried near Anarkali Bazar in Lahore.